Good morning, children. Now here, first chapter already we finished. Now here I am going to revise once again this chapter, that is plant reproduction. What we have studied here in this plant reproduction about the Chandi Prasad bird. Who was Chandi Prasad bird? He introduced the movement, that is Chipko movement, isn't it? So, why to protect the forest tree from mass destruction, he introduced Chipko movement. Many villagers from Uttarakhand, they supported him to save the trees. Okay. Next, coming to what is a seed? We have studied about the seed also. A small object from the plant which gives rise to a young plant, that is seedling, is called a seed. You have seen the many fruits in our day-to-day life. We eat many types of fruits or vegetables. Some fruits have only one seed, some fruits have many seeds, some fruits have few seeds. That diagrams also you have to draw in the material. Already you got the material, in that you have to draw the diagram, one seed or many seed or few seeds. Next, coming to in your surroundings also you will see many plants. You have to write down the plants names in the material. Neem is there, people is there, mango is there, many more plants you will get, tamarind, sapota, many more plants you will get it. You have to write the names. Next, coming to the structure of a seed also we have studied, discussed. The structure of a seed also we have discussed. What are the parts are there in the seed? What are the parts present in the seed? This is what you call it, the structure of a seed. This is called the structure of a seed. You are seeing this seed? Here, outer covering of the seed is called seed coat. Isn't it? Fleshy leaves or cotyledons. Next, embryo, young plant, growing embryo. So these are the parts already we have discussed. What is the function of the outer covering of the seed, that is called seed coat? It protects the inner parts of the seed. What are these fleshy leaves? Which stores the food for the baby plant, isn't it? So here embryo, the space between the seed and seedling is called embryo. How many types of seeds we have studied? 2 types. What are they? Dicot and monocot seeds already we have discussed. So dicot seeds, 2 cotyledons are present in dicot seeds, and in monocot seed only 1 cotyledon is present. Di means 2, mono means 1 cotyledon. So dicot seed, mango. Take the example of mango, tamarind. These are the examples of dicot seed. Monocot seed, all the cereals, rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, corn. All these are the examples of monocot seeds. Already we discussed. Okay, fine, children. Next, coming to now how this seed, when you plant the seed in the soil, what happens under favorable condition? It grows into a new plant. This process is called reproduction. What is reproduction? The process by which an organism, whether plant or animal, produces its own kind is called reproduction. Already we have studied reproduction also. Now, what are the conditions required to grow a plant from a seed? See here, what are the conditions? The seed should be healthy. The seed should be healthy. The seed should get right amount of soil and minerals. The seed should get all the favorable conditions to grow into a new plant. What are the conditions required? Air, water, warmth. These are the conditions required to grow into a new plant. Understood? So now here we will know about the germination of a seed. We have discussed this germination of a seed also. When we plant the seed in the soil, it swells, seed coat bursts, and what happens? A small part will comes out from the seed, that is called as root. The root first develops from the seed. The root goes away from the sunlight into the soil to draw the water and minerals from the soil and supply to growing embryo. The part of the plant which comes out from the seed is called as a shoot system, which grows above the soil. Isn't it? So what happens? The cotyledons also pushes up above the ground. After some time the cotyledons will fall off and the plant lead an independent life. That is, it performs all the functions. That is called photosynthesis. It performs photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The plants prepares the food by using water, sunlight, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, they prepare the food. So up to this. And next coming to vegetative propagation. We studied about the vegetative propagation. What is vegetative propagation? What is vegetative propagation? The plants produces the new plants, that is from the vegetative part. Root, stem and leaves is called a vegetative propagation other than seeds. Isn't it? And what we have discussed, what are the vegetative parts? Stem, root and leaves. Stem, root and leaves. Isn't it? These are the vegetative parts of a plant. Already we have discussed the underground stem, what we discussed, potato, bulb, eyes. When you cut the eye part of the potato and planted it in the soil, it grows into a new plant. Root, modification, carrot, beetroot, radish, already we discussed. And leaves. From the margin of the leaf, new plant grows under favorable conditions. They falls from the parent plant and grows into a new plant under favorable conditions. So we discussed about the vegetative reproduction also. Isn't it? Seed dispersal. What is seed dispersal? The dispersal of seed away from the mother plant, parent plant, is called seed dispersal. What are the agents required for seed dispersal? We have wind, water, animals, bursting. These are the agents required for seed dispersal. Wind dispersal, already we discussed wind dispersal, that is through the wind. The seed should be light in weight, which carried away to distant places and grow into a new plant under favorable conditions. Cotton is there, dandelion is there, milkweed is there. These are the examples. Water, through the coconut plant that grow near the sea coast, the root falls and the seed falls on the water and flows to distant places. So how the seed of the coconut will be? It is covered with the fibrous structure, which because of this fibrous structure, the seed becomes light in weight. This is the reason it floats on the water and light to distant places and germinate. Lotus is there, coconut is there, water lily plant is there. So this is there. Animal dispersal. What happens? The birds or animals, they eat some seeds, some fruits, half-eaten fruits, they throw here and there and grow into a favorable conditions. What are there? Neem is there, mango is there, isn't it? Such plants, sapota, tomatoes. We only rotten tomatoes, if we throw backyard of the house. It grows after some days. Bursting mechanism. The seeds burst. Pea pod bursts and releases the seeds with force and is scattered everywhere, isn't it? And grows into a new plant. Water almonds, walnuts, pea pod, beans. Okay. Next, last, what we have studied, biomimicry. Bio means life. Mimicry means copy. We are taking the best. We are copying from the nature by taking the best ideas, and we are developing our skills by using these ideas. Okay. So aeroplane is inspired with the flying birds. Already I gave example. How to conserve nature also we discussed. How to protect the plants, how to conserve the plants also we have discussed. Endemic species also we have discussed. What is endemic species? The species which grow in the particular geographic region is called endemic species. Gucci mushroom is an endemic species of Himalayas. It is very expensive, costly, and the medicinal value is also more. So you have to paste the pictures of endemic species of plants and animals in homework book. This is your homework. Thank you, children.